UPSC. This word is very close to my heart. Maybe I use this word more than 100 times in a day. In my night dreams, in my daydreams, in my imagination, in my ambition, in my tears, in my smile, in my brain, in my heart, in my books, in my diaries, in my room, in my home, in my voice, in my silence. There is only one word, UPSC. But only crack UPSC and being an IAS officer is not my destination. UPSC is the gate of my destination. My destination is to serve my country. My destination is to educate person. My destination is to take care of my India's pride. My destination is to bring a smile on those orphans' face who have no person to smile with. My destination is to solving problems of my cadre as more as possible. My destination is to give opportunities to those persons who have potential to do something great. My destination is to give strength to those women who have no partner. My destination is to talk with those old person who have no person to talk. My destination is bring honesty in every person. My destination is to help those widows to start a new life. My destination is to improve our education system. My destination is to end corruption as more as possible. My destination is to stop cutting trees and stop killing animals. My destination is to help people to fight with depression. My destination is to improve our government schools and government hospitals. My destination is to give freedom to girls. My destination is to teach English to all those persons who really want to speak. My destination is to take a step for gender equality. My destination is to give more reasons to love India. I'm not saying I will change everything, but I will try to change lots of things. I will try to change as more as possible. That's why UPSC is not my destination. It's the gate of my destination. But to achieve destination, it's important to reach the gate of UPSC.